Hello guys, we're starting our 12 days of Christmas today, which means that we're going to get a new holiday project every day for the next 12 weekdays, mostly at 1 p.m. Central, but a few days I have a conflict. And then we're going to reveal what's in my advent calendar. I can't tell you how excited I am because I'll be finding out what's in it in real time. I have not looked. I have been very careful for no spoilers of what's in this advent calendar. I can't wait for you to share in that excitement with me. I do think this thing is still available. So if you want to hop on and enjoy your own, then order it from me. So this is something that Stampin' Up! Has put out brand new this year. It says a new item. But we're going to get started first. You're going to need to stay to the end to see the advent calendar reveal. We're going to start with a cute 12 Days of Christmas project. And we're going to use the stamp set called Words for the Season. My name is Kate Cogbill. I didn't write this on here. And my business is called Paper Made Prettier. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, under Paper Made Prettier, all one word. I can't fit that here. And you are at the 12 Days of Christmas, and lucky you, you're on day 1. So always go to my YouTube to find days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 if you missed any of them. And we're using the Words for the Season bundle. And I had a box that just fell. If you'd like the recipe cards and measurements for all of the 12 days of Christmas, make sure and join my email list. I'll put the link in the Facebook and the YouTube here so that you will get that. And I want to say one more thing. When you order $50 or more between now and the 9th of December, you're going to get 33 Christmas tutorials from me. Okay, so let's get started. I love this stamp set called Words for the Season. It is super versatile. It has Halloween, fall, and Christmas. So we've used it for those projects on Facebook Lives in the past. We made a little hand sanitizer holder with the fall and Halloween. I have this Christmas swap that I received, and it shows you the fantastic dies. And so the dies have holidays, New Year, Christmas, Happy, Merry, Halloween, Autumn, and Greetings. So you can go all the different holidays. But we're going to stick with Christmas today, and we're going to make this fun fold card. Now, I was just looking at fun fold cards for my next class, which is coming up on, I think it's the 11th of December, perhaps. Anyway, it's a Tuesday in December. Check my email for when all my classes are, and we're going to make fun folds. This is called a hinge fun fold. I didn't know. I just think it's cute. All right, so we are using the paper called Modern Christmas, and it's got blacks and whites and golds. These are some of the patterns in the Modern Christmas paper. This is my favorite sheet. Fa la 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 la. And I wanted it to be featured on my card. And then I just wanted a pop of red. So black and white with a pop of red. Super fun for Christmas. So we're going to start with our card base. And we're going to give it a fold. Now I've cut off a portion of it. And we're going to slap a piece of this fa la la on the front. I wanted it front and center. The first thing you see on this cute card. And then we're going to put a piece of designer paper in here just for fun. Did I do that correctly? Oh yeah, we're not going to stick the designer paper down until we put our hinge in. So we have a piece of cardstock that fits, and it's going to line up right, the fold right there. And then we're going to cover that. Oh no, stop. We're going to pop this on here. And don't worry, we're going to put something in there so that we can read it. And then we're going to cover this with another piece of that designer paper. So I love our designer series papers because you can mix 6 different patterns and they will all go. So that's what we're doing here. And then we're going to just use a real red ink with the stamp that says, "May your holiday season be filled with joy and happiness." So we're going to pop that on our stylish shape circle. And we're going to layer that onto another stylish circle. Easy peasy. I love the layering here. And then we're going to pop this on. Now, you want to only put adhesive on the right-hand side of that circle. And you can stick it straight down or dimensional it. I did dimensional it here, and I stuck it straight down here. So whatever you want to do. And then we've got this gorgeous real red, what's it called? Shiny ribbon. And it's pretty stiff. So when I have a stiff ribbon like this, I'm tying it in a knot rather than a bow. Just because it lays better that way. So just a cute knot, and we're going to attempt for the shiny side to face upward before we tighten our knot. I didn't do it successfully the first time, but I did the second time. Yay. All right, so that's our precious card, and then we're gonna pop one of these faceted snowflakes. To me, they look like stars, especially when they're red. So we're going to pop 3 of these onto our card, and they really pop against that black, and I love that. So, easy peasy fun fold card using the Words for the Season set. So that's our first Christmas project for the 12 days of Christmas. And now for our fun Advent calendar reveal. All right, so let's see. This Advent calendar, it's got a price point around the $100 range. It's got a lot of stuff in it. And we're gonna pop open day 1. I'll tell you, it also comes with a stamp set. So just so you'll know, it's not Christmas themed items inside, and that's all I know about what's inside, but it does come with a stamp set. So I'll probably make a project with the stamp set here and there, but let's see what's in day 1. Oh, I'm so excited. My kids always have Advent calendars, but I never do. So I'm thrilled to have my own. Ooh, what do we have? We have some gorgeous dies. So, oh, and they match our stamp set. Yay. We have a little butterfly, a leaf, some flowers to cut out these flowers, a frond, another flower to cut out the flower, another flower, and a little rainbow. If that's not the cutest, can't wait to see how these all come together over the course of 12 days. So, make sure and watch all 12 days of Christmas so you can see each item. Now, I will tell you that we have a sale going on right now. 2 sales. Today is the only day where we have 2 sales. Black Friday is still happening on Stampin' Up! And the main thing that's left are Stampin' Blends. The Stampin' Blends are like $6.60 for a pair. They're normally $11, so take advantage of that now. I'll tell you, I did a little test on my blends to see which ones need to be replaced, so I'll be getting on there today to replace those. The other excitement is that we're having a Cyber Monday sale. So Cyber Monday runs between now and the 9th of December. And you can get a huge discount on paper pumpkin. So this is an example of a paper pumpkin kit. It comes in a cute orange box every month. Your first kit will ship in December. And you can get $20 off a 3-month prepaid subscription, $40 off a 6-month prepaid, and $80 off of a 12-month prepaid subscription. So, but you do need to know, if you already have a subscription, this promotion will start immediately with the watercolor in bloom. You cannot skip on this kit, okay? This kit cannot be skipped. And also, if you get multiple subscriptions under one, you're going to get duplicates. So you need to use a new subscription email if you already have one. and shipping cost is built into the price, and you will earn Stampin' Rewards, but it will be based on the discounted price, of course. So make sure and take advantage of that Cyber Monday sale. I'm definitely giving this as a gift to one of my sweeties as a fun thing to happen after Christmas, because we love the experience of drawing Christmas out even well past Christmas. Hello, Miss Shawn. Good to see you. So I hope you enjoyed our 12 days of Christmas. We made a cute little hinge fold. Oh, we didn't finish our card. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I opened it. So obviously you can't write in here. So we're going to finish our card. I just got so excited about the Advent calendar. We're going to use this other sentiment that says, May the magic of Christmas fill every corner of your heart. Is that not the sweetest? I love it. And then the other thing we're going to do, I just wanted there to be a little pop of color here. So what I did is like run some Stampin' Seal down this corner or this edge. I stuck the shiny ribbon straight down and make sure the shiny side is up. And then we're going to zip over here, put some adhesive here, fold that over and trim that off. Then this sweet piece is going on to your inside. And so guess what? This is one of those cards where you can just write, love the Cogbills. You don't have to write a ton inside. So there's the finished card. Stay tuned tomorrow for our second day and our next Advent calendar reveal. Bye.